Today, we're going to be speaking about one of the most difficult topics when it comes to starting your own business or becoming an entrepreneur. How to get some capital in order to start your business. And in this video, I'm going to show you some ways that you can get some extra money in to invest inside of your very own business. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Kyle Heaney, and I create videos about how you can grow your online business or how you can actually start your very own online business. If you subscribe to this channel, I'll send you a notification every single time I create a new video, so you don't miss out on any opportunities to help grow your business or how to start your business. So like I said before, in today's topic, we're going to be speaking about how you can raise some extra capital in order to start your own business. We know when starting your own business, it can be very difficult. You have some extra things you need to pay for out of your pocket, either education, some tools that you need to use, some websites you need to connect to, and it's all can actually cost quite a bit of money in the beginning when you're not getting any revenue in. I've been there, and a lot of people have been there as well. But if you're that kind of person who doesn't have somewhere where you can get the money from other investors or from your parents or from a bank or a credit card, you need to find a way to make your own money to help start your business. So I'm going to show you some different ways that can be used in order to get the money to start your business. Some of these methods I've used myself, and some of these I've learned from other people about how they started to get money to grow their business. For me, in the beginning, when I started creating my business, I had to pay for email autoresponders, for websites to create sales funnels, a whole bunch of different things that I did not have the money for. I could not get it from my parents, and I had nowhere else to get it. So I used some of these things that I'm going to explain to you today, and they actually really helped to get me going. So the first place I would go to is Gumtree and Facebook Marketplace. In these two search engines, you can type in free stuff. Over here, you get a whole bunch of baby clothes, you get odd random stuff, books, different sleeping stuff, beds, bed bases, bookshelves, these kind of products. Over here, you can see there are hundreds of products for free on Gumtree as well as on Facebook. Over here, bricks, a free sofa, free beds, kids' bicycles, Christmas trees. So what you can do is you can go pick these stuff up because they are for free and just work on them a little bit. Over here, you could take a mirror or you could take a sofa, just give it a good clean, polish it up a little bit, fix it if it has a little bit of tears. And then what you do is you take the product and you actually repost it back onto Facebook Marketplace. But this time you don't put it for free. You actually charge somebody for it. I know a guy on TikTok who actually does this for a living. He goes and finds bicycles or he goes and finds different golf clubs and these kind of things. He polishes it up a bit, fixes it, and then re-puts it back onto Facebook for a price. As you can see, people are selling a whole bunch of different stuff on here. Look, maybe you don't even need to pick up the free stuff. Maybe you have some odd stuff lying around your house that you're not using anymore. Something in your closet, something in your shed, that you can just go polish it up a bit and put it onto Facebook. Old golf clubs, books that you don't read anymore. There's a whole bunch of things that you can put on here and you can sell to someone for a cheaper price because someone is always looking to buy. The next place you can go to is a place called Fivver. I did this personally myself as well with the Facebook stuff. So what you can do is you can go on and you leverage skills that you already had. Like for me, what I did, I was making YouTube videos and I had a microphone and I was making voiceovers for my YouTube videos and different accounts. So I said to myself, why not get paid to do this? I'm already doing it. I already have the microphone. I have the laptop to do it. Why not do it? If you go over to Fiverr and you look up voiceover artists, some of them are charging 40, 50, 60 pounds per 100 words. So you do 1,000 word video, it takes about 4 to 5 minutes to create. And you're making what, a good $200? Maybe you're good at video editing. You can offer video editing skills. A lot of people are lazy to edit their own videos, and you can do that for them. Or other things, like you could create logos. There are plenty of free programs like Canva or Pexels or something like that, where you can create logos inside of it and then offer them on Fiverr. As you can see here, logos, video editing, a whole bunch of different things. People for YouTube, they need thumbnails. You can create thumbnails on Canva. A lot of people don't know about these websites, so they don't know that they can go make it for themselves for free. But you could create a Fiverr profile and actually go and then sell your skills. Over here, you can see this is my account. This is my order for my voiceover gig. Obviously, it's not bringing in money anymore because I'm not doing that at the moment. But this was the gig that I had for voiceovers in the beginning. You can also head over to Spock. Spock, you can do something similar to Facebook with all old items that you have in your house. Maybe you have an old cell phone, an old pair of Nikes, some clothes, a PlayStation, a TV that you're not using anymore. You can head over to Spock and then you can sell it for a little bit of money. Now, this last one that I'm going to talk about is actually something that I learned from a few people who are actually currently doing that. They're starting up their own online business or their own affiliate marketing business or Amazon FBA, but they need money to buy products and buy websites and to buy a whole bunch of different things. If this only works if you have a driving license as a car, obviously, but you can actually go onto Uber. A lot of my friends, what they do is they work their normal 9 to 5 job. Then in the night, they pick up their car, they do Uber till 11, 12 o'clock. And then on their off days, they take the money that they have made from Uber and they reinvest it into their businesses, which helps them pay for their websites and their training or whatever they need to pay for. And you can actually make quite a bit of money from this. So it can actually really help you out a lot. Look, I know starting a business can be very stressful, but it is well worth it in the end. In the future, you get to be your own boss. You need to search your own work hours and you get to make money just for you. I know it's very difficult now to think about it. Think maybe I should stay at my 9 to 5 job. And at the beginning, I suggest you do it. Do not quit your job yet until your business is actually going. But you need to actually go through with it. You need to take action on what you're doing. You've decided to create your own business and you need to go through with it. No matter what it is, you will find a way. If it's money is the problem, you will find a way to make money. There are plenty of different ways that you can make some money to go into your business. If you can't find an investor, you can't get credit cards, you can follow these steps that I've shown in this video, or you can find other ways. I promise you, there is always a way to make money. Whether it's typing for someone, whether it's doing voiceovers, there's a whole bunch of different ways, I promise you. And you will get through this and your business will thrive. You just need to believe in yourself. If you need any help with starting your own business, let me know in the comments down below, or make sure you subscribe to this channel and I'm going to help you out as much as possible in order for you to grow your business and to actually have a successful future, because that's what I want. That's why this YouTube channel is here. It's to help you grow your business so we can all be successful and get out of the rat race. I believe in you. I hope you believe in me. Comment down below if you have any questions and I'll make sure I get back to you. Make sure to subscribe down below and I'll send you a notification every single time I create a new video about how we are going to grow your business or how I can help you start your very own online business. If you are looking to start your own online business, there's a link down below and they can give you all the information you need in order to start your online business. If you found value in the content today, make sure to smash that like button and have a good day.